Still cleansing your face just once? You could be leaving behind sunscreen, makeup, and breakouts. Welcome to Glow Rituals. Glow naturally, one step at a time. Double cleansing is a two-step method in the Korean skincare routine. First, an oil-based cleanser dissolves oil-based impurities. Then, a water-based cleanser removes sweat and dirt. It ensures a deep clean without stripping your skin, perfect for preventing clogged pores, dullness, and breakouts. Try these beginner-friendly picks. Oil cleanser, Beauty of Joseon Radiance. Cleansing balm, water cleanser, Cosrx. Low pH, Good Morning Gel Cleanser. Don't skip the oil cleanser even if you don't wear makeup. It still removes sunscreen and sebum. And avoid harsh cleansers that strip your skin barrier. Double cleansing equals double the glow. Subscribe to Glow Rituals for more K-beauty made simple.